Welcome to Signhouse TV. In this episode, I'm going to talk about the significance of using PVC-free products for applications which are in print media. Before we do that, let us first understand what is PVC and why is it so widely used. PVC, or polyvinyl chloride as the name goes, is the third most produced polymer plastic. Now this product is a very versatile product. Versatile in the sense it gets used in various applications. It gets used in industrial applications, in technical applications. In our daily routine, in our daily lives, we use it every day in different forms. This versatility is basically an intrinsic property of this particular material, wherein it also gives it the leverage of being manufactured in various forms. It could be rolls, it could be sheets in various thicknesses, various colors. Now, this particular product has been with us longer than any other plastic polymer. Means it was first synthesized in long ago in 1872. Commercially though, it was manufactured only in 1920. This was done by a company called B.F. Goodrich. At that time, this particular product was white, brittle, but now, as we said, it has been adapted to various shapes and sizes. Now this is again a very widely used product, wherein it has got certain properties which make it very economical. It is lightweight, it is durable, it is very easy to apply, easy to maintain. So all these properties make it a very successful product. Now comes the million-dollar question. How safe is it to use PVC? How eco-friendly is it? As a matter of fact, PVC is not at all eco-friendly, but because of the basic format of the product, because of the product construction, it's very difficult to recycle this particular product. Throughout its life cycle, during production, during usage, or at the time of disposal, PVC continuously releases toxins in the atmosphere, toxins like dioxins or furans. Now these toxins, they pollute the environment definitely. More so, PVC pollutes the environment through the water tables. It pollutes rivers, it pollutes even the groundwater. So what is the solution to this problem? The only solution to this particular problem is to lead a life which is without PVC products or with PVC-free products. Sustainability by using PVC-free products is the only solution which will get us the freedom from all health hazards or environment hazards which are caused by PVC. The non-PVC products are less harsh on the substrates. They get the same quality, the same look and feel as the PVC products. They are lightweight, they are strong, and apart from this, the fumes which are generated on PVC products, those fumes are absent on the non-PVC products, thus making it more user-friendly. All this sounds great, right? But then why are we using the PVC products? Why don't we shift to the non-PVC products? As a matter of fact, shifting to non-PVC products is not so easy. We have to come to a level which has been established by PVC. PVC has made a very high benchmark for itself. PVC, the ultimate output what PVC products give, it is not a very easy target to achieve. Now each industry has its own set of requirements and own set of problems. Let us see our industry, our print industry, what are the requirements and what are the problems. A PVC product is naturally ink absorbent, while a non-PVC product needs additional coating for better ink absorption and a better performance. This drives up the cost and makes the product more susceptible to printing failures. We all know that the cost factor in the present condition is absolutely crucial. Now, the cost factor is directly proportional to the economies of the scale. To keep the cost low on the non-PVC products, we need to have a minimum order quantity. Getting those quantities is a challenge in many cases. If we are able to meet those quantities, then yes, we can definitely bring the cost down. But in most of the cases, MOQs are tough to meet. This is the reason why you see so much of PVC being used in the Asian regions and Middle East region, while Europe and USA, they are far ahead of this particular region in terms of non-PVC usage. However, the shift has already begun in the region. When it is produced in volumes, the cost becomes lower. Being the leading distributors of various print media products, we at Bluerine take it as a responsibility to be in touch with the right manufacturers globally who have the right infrastructure for research and development, who ensure that they develop the products which provide a better sustainability and eco-friendly feature. Presently, we offer a range of eco-friendly non-PVC print media products that are ideal for your projects. The first product I would mention is Wheelish, which is a self-adhesive fabric for window decoration. Now, Wheelish is a self-adhesive net curtain which is an ideal replacement for all traditional architectural films and foils. Now, this is a non-PVC replacement having all the features which you can probably ask for. In fact, it has outstanding kiss cut and contour cut capabilities, making it a revolutionary product for this application. When it comes to architectural, decorative and privacy window film segment, Wheelish is a product which is one of the best products for this application. Second solution is Intercoat Polyolefin Vinyl. Intercoat Polyolefin Vinyl is a very good non-PVC replacement for all vinyl for your graphics and for your signage requirement. This complies to all EU requirements. This comes with acrylate copolymer adhesive, which is got an excellent resistance to UV light and aging. It is also solvent free. The third product is a General Formulations Traffic Graphic. It is a clear embossed polypropylene film designed for use as a protective laminate for vinyls or traffic decals. This non-glare laminate is approved for indirect food contact also. It offers a permanent acrylic pressure sensitive adhesive which is specially formulated for the best optical clarity and bond for printed graphic applications. Fourth product is General Formulation Wall Frog. It is a matte white polyester fabric with a acrylic removable adhesive. Designed for internal use, Wall Frog is ideal for economical small and medium graphics. It's a 100% premium coated woven polyester. It is best suited for all temporary applications for decals and graphics for smooth painted walls. The fifth product is Desardi wall coverings. Now, Desardi is a premium wall covering product. It's a digitally printable product, can be printed on digital inkjet printers, large format. The brand's portfolio comprises of a wide range of non-PVC alternatives. Some of them are the Eco Series PVC-free wall coverings, acoustic textile wall coverings, Classic Series, and Voltex fabric bagged vinyl wall coverings. These are ideal for use in various applications. Let us save the planet Earth. Let us shift to non-PVC products. Even a small initiative, a small action can definitely have a massive impact on the environment. That is why eco-friendly approach matters a lot. Let us think more eco-friendly way and shift to non-PVC products. Some of these products are already available on our bluerine.store, and some are on the way. Get in touch with us for your requirements and we will provide you with a suitable and a sustainable solution. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.